Hey everyone, I just got an article that I was going to put it on the site, but I thought, well, maybe I should just make a video of it. That way I can get double the exposure on it. Check it out. Hundreds rally at secret Texas Muslim event. Now, let's scroll down a little bit. I'm just going to read a little of this. It says, hundreds of protesters were out in force Saturday at a Muslim gathering blacked out to the media called Stand with the Prophet, whose keynote speaker, an imam from Brooklyn, has been linked as an unindicted co-conspirator with the deadly 1993 World Trade Center bombing. The imam, Surat Wahat, once remarked, "It is my duty and our duty as Muslims to replace the U.S. Constitution with the Koran." President Obama formally invited Wahat to give a Juma or a Huma, I don't know how they pronounce it, but it's an invocation at the Democratic National Convention in 2012, but his invitation was withdrawn after public criticism of the decision became widespread. Okay, I'm just going to share just a little bit of comments here for those that study prophecy. We all know the Vatican wrote the Koran and is blatantly pro-Islam. All the American churches, including the Seventh-day Adventist Church, are claiming Allah is God. Obama has been proven dozens of times to be a card-carrying Muslim. U.S. tax dollars are now funding the Muslim Brotherhood so they can continue to kill one Christian every 2 minutes, and many of them by beheading. There are over 30,000 guillotines on U.S. soil right now, and the Pope is coming to America to speak to Congress. There are also many Islamic training centers in America. And now, Muslims are secretly meeting in Texas. Prophecy says Christians will be beheaded, and the mark will be enforced in America first. Do you see what I see? Thank you for watching. God bless.